In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily embed Google Maps directly into your Shopify store. This is a very handy feature if you want to display your business location or any significant place you want your customers to find with ease. Let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps together. First, we begin by navigating to Google Maps on your web browser. Go ahead and search for the location you want to show on your Shopify site. Google Maps offers an intuitive search bar, so just type in the address or place name and it should pop right up. Once you see the location pinpointed on the map, it's time to prepare it for embedding. Next, we need to access the Share options. You'll find a Share button, usually represented by an icon of a paper plane right within Google Maps. Give that a click. You will then see a pop-up window with different sharing options. Choose Embed a Map. Doing so will present you with an iframe code. This is the key snippet that allows you to embed the map elsewhere. Simply copy this iframe code to your clipboard. Now, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. On your dashboard, navigate to Online Store, and from there, select Pages. Depending on your needs, you might want to create a new page specifically for your map, or perhaps you prefer to embed it within an existing page. Either way works, so choose what best fits your site structure. Once you've opened the page where you'd like to include the map, locate the rich text editor. Generally, there's a button often represented by angle brackets, or it may also say Show HTML or Show Code. This button switches your editor to HTML mode, which is where we'll be working our magic. Within the HTML editor, paste the iframe code you copied from Google Maps. This code snippet is what displays the map on your page. After pasting it, make sure to save your changes. Most platforms have a Save button, typically at the top or bottom, ensuring that everything you've added remains in place. Now it's time to see the fruits of our labor. Preview your page to make sure the map displays correctly. It should appear right where you place the code and function interactively, just like on Google Maps. For a professional finish, you might want to adjust the appearance of the map. This can be done by editing the height and width properties of the iframe code. For instance, setting the width to 100% makes the map responsive, ensuring it fits well whether viewed on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to embed Google Maps into your Shopify store, enhancing user experience and providing valuable information to your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.